Come make a charcuterie board with me for mine and my hubby's tea. So first off, get your selection of goods. I've literally got a mix of like lots of cheese and lots of salami and things. I've got some crackers and things behind me. Grab yourself a lovely clean wine glass. So I'm going to start off with some, I think it's German salami. Yeah, German salami. So I'm just going to kind of wander around the glass. I'll come back once I've done a bit more. I'm so proud of how that's turned out. So I've just went literally wrapping round and round and round. I added the, I think it was something else on top. Hang on, one sec. Black pepper salami around the edge, and it's created this nice little frill. So I'm like dead happy with that. We're then hopefully going to do the same with this beautiful pepperoni. So I'm going to start, whoop, floppy. I'm going to start by going around the outside, and hopefully it should hopefully come to a rose again. I've added the Parma ham into the middle of that because there was a lot of like, the pepperoni didn't fill it. So I'm going to try and pop it over the MasterChef logo. Oh wow, look at that. That looks so freaking cool. I'm so happy with that. Ah, oh, that one's just beautiful. I might nudge that up a little bit more, but oh, so pretty. I'm so proud. Look at how pretty they are. Anyway, we're going to move on to some red Leicester with garlic whirl. I'm going to give that a cut. So far, so good with the lovely little pattern I've got going on. Next, we've got some Jarlsberg, which has got this lovely rind on it, which I've had to cut off. So I've added that there. So it kind of looks like sun rays a little bit. Sun rays as you draw a little kid, or kind of French fries a little bit, looking from the colour of this. I promise they're not as like yellowy as what it looks. So I've just added my Belton extra mature cheddar in there, which is obviously these ones here. Fun fact for you all, any kind of cheddar that's aged over 18 months, the longer it's been aged, kind of the more mature it is, the less amount of sugar is in there that is, which is lactose. So if you're lactose intolerant, you're better with mature cheddars. So next on the board, so next to the cream cheese one is Manchego. Manchego is one of my all-time favourite cheeses. I find it really, really nice. So as you can see, I've wrapped that all around the board as well. This one also comes with a rind, so please be wary before you eat it because you can't eat the rind. Next we've got brie, which just wasn't playing ball when I cut it, so look how amazing that brie looks. Together in a bundle down here is double Gloucester with onion and chive. It's a really fragrant cheese. It is quite hard but quite soft at the same time. It's a beautiful cheese. Honestly, would recommend it if you love cheese and onion crisps. It's like the best combination of both. So around the edge here, so this slightly darker colour one here, that is Lockerbie cheese. That is made on the border of England and Scotland. I believe I probably could be wrong, but that is a really nice kind of creamy cheese. And then next to it, the name's quite funny of this. This is called Tickler Extra Mature Cheddar. Now that one, you can tell it's extra mature because it's got salt granules whilst eating it. So it means it's been matured for quite a long time. If you like extra mature cheddar, then that one is probably your best go-to. So this one is here. And last but by no means least is goat's cheese. Oh my god, I think goat's cheese is my all-time favourite cheese. It is incredible. It doesn't give me tummy ache like normal kind of cheese does, but my god, it is so versatile. Pizzas with a salad, balsamic vinegar. Oh, honestly incredible. But I'm going to glitz this up a little bit and then I'll show you my final board. And last for the cheese board, and very not least, is you need crackers and breadsticks and bread. Now if you're Midlands or a Northerner or just generalised UK, pickle is where it's at. Branston have come out with a squeezable pickle. Now I'm dead excited. I love pickle. My hubby got me into pickle. Oh my flaming god, this is incredible. You need it. So also as well, I picked up some crackers. I picked up cars. These was the cheapest ones in Morrison's, and they've got the best selection. So that's what I'm doing. And I've made some really nice kind of crusty cobs. So that is, that's what you need for my cheese board. So yeah, I'll quickly show you, and I'm going to go demolish it. So this is the cheese board all done now. Look how beautiful that looks. I am so proud. But yeah, that is my tea done. So yeah, hope you love it. Drop me a follow or a like if you like it. And I will come back with some content as soon as possible. So see you later.